we now go to the declaration of the winners. So we, the undersigned members of the Provincial Board of Canvassers, do hereby certify under oath that we have duly canvassed the votes cast in the 13 municipalities for the candidates therein for member House of Representatives in the elections held on May 12, 2025. Attached hereto and forming part hereof is a statement of votes by municipality, garnered by each candidate for the office of members of House of Representatives. After such canvass, it appears that Yep Eric of Lakas garnered 144,093 votes for the office of the member House of Representative, the same being the highest number of votes legally cast for the said office. On the basis of the foregoing, we hereby proclaim the above-named winning candidate as the duly elected member, House of Representative of Benguet, Lone District, Province of Benguet. In witness hereof, we affix our signatures and imprint our thumb mark in this certificate of canvass and of votes and proclamation.
Sa Comelec family, gusto ko magpasalamat sa inyo sa pagpunta ngayon dito. Alam ko, syempre, dapat to matagal lang tapos, so nag-double work pa kayo. Sana may double pay kayo sa Comelec chairman, no? But again, tapos na yung kaso, so it's time to work. Tapos na po yung pamumulitika. Benguet deserves true public service. So, tuloy-tuloy po yung public service natin, hindi naman naputol. Ang message lang natin ngayon, sana tama na yung mga bangayan sa social media, tama na yung mga divisiveness, continue to work together. Kailangan mag-unite tayo, sama-sama, so that our province will achieve yung mga development na gusto natin. Again, sa Comelec family, kay RD, Sir Agcon, and syempre ang aking kaibigan na si Piskal Pataras, thank you very much, lalo na sa pinakamaganda nating PES. Ayan po, Ma'am, hindi naman sip-sip yan kasi na-proclaim na ako. Si Ma'am Vanessa Roncal, salamat po, attorney. And syempre sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng Comelec at sa mga kaibigan natin sa media, salamat po. Lalong-lalo na sa ating regional director ng Comelec na lagi lang sa TV ko nakikita. Talagang pinakikinggan ko pag nagsasalita. Every time na wala akong ginagawa, syempre malungkot, nag-aayos ka ng kaso mo, alam mong Pinoy ka, pero ang tagal, pinakikinggan ko na si RD at marami naman ako natututunan pag ini-interview siya. Kaya thank you very much po and good afternoon sa atin lahat.